Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna learn poem Hurt No Living Thing.
Let's read one poem. Hurt no living thing, ladybird nor butterfly, nor moth with dusty wing, no cricket chirping cheerily, no grasshopper so light of leap, no dancing gnat, nor beetle fat, nor harmless worms that creep, hurt no living thing. Okay, so children, in this poem, Christina Rossetti asks us not to hurt any living thing. So, this poem is based on insects. God's creation are wonderful. Someone small, someone big. We should not hurt anyone that was created by God. So, let us see one by one. Every living thing that has been created, be the insects like ladybird, butterfly, grasshopper, cricket, moth, gnat, worms. Look at them, how beautiful. This grasshopper, which takes leaves, it jumps from one and skips the other level. See the beauty of grasshopper, it is so swift. See butterfly, it sits on the flowers, dusty ground, but never loses its beauty. How can we think of hurting? Look at this caterpillar. What comes to our mind? It is creepy, dirty, moving from here to there. But have you seen caterpillar trying and hurting you ever? Never. If you take a try, you can go take a caterpillar in a palm, let it move from one end to the other end. You will see how it moves. It moves very gently. But when it starts moving from one end to the other end of your fingers, you will not realize how smoothly and swiftly it has moved. Just look at the smile on the small little insects. How beautiful they are. How does the cricket sounds? If you listen to the cricket in the silent quietness, in the serene beauty of nature, you will find the rhythm in that, right? So, it talks about the cricket, which we assume to be noisy and very awful and disturbing. Actually, we can see the hidden beauty of a cricket. Now, let us look at the grasshopper. It jumps from one place to the other simply, sweetly, in the little moment. It will skip the ladybird and it will fly over to the string, and behind the leaves it try to hide by self. You will see the grasshopper changing color to brown. How can we thought of killing or keeping these insects as pet at your home? No, of course not. They enjoy being in the nature. So Christina is only focusing on kindness that we should show to these creatures which are created by God. Now children, gnat is an insect which actually bites animals and people. By that, what we feel? Oh my God, actually we try to killing it. Gnat is doing this so as to save this from the enemies. If we see a mosquito sitting over us, do you say, "Oh, my lovely mosquito"? And do we admire and do we pamper the mosquito sitting on us? Never. But gnat is doing this so as to save itself from the enemies. So that we do every day. We have to understand, if we do not hurt or harm insect, they will not hurt or harm. She is calling the red beetle so fat. Why she is calling so? Because the beetle is round in shape, red and black. It is beautiful. If it comes under your feet, oops, you feel where I have gone wrong. How nicely she is describing by creeping is. She is pointing caterpillar very light on its feet. How beautiful it goes, children. Yes or no? So, what we have understood here, so there is something special about each living being, and we should not harm any of them. So I hope you have understood the entire poem. With this, we come to an